Great!
This is our new CFMOTO. So people can help us to decide on what to go with.
This will be a community build.
Yeah. I think we're going with...
I think I just lost my job here.
Greenland.
I'm going to Greenland. Great! Finally!
Yeah.
Passwords.
Okay guys, this is our new CFMOTO. It's the new C4 625 and we're gonna make some serious mods to this thing. David?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
We need a plan.
Yeah, we need a plan. We're gonna change some tires, exhaust, maybe lift it and some other things.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Let's make an exhaust.
Yeah, let's make an exhaust.
I know someone who makes them.
You do?
Yeah.
Where?
I
Can't remember the name.
No. They
Made in
have,
Sweden.
They have R.
Is it R?
Say R.
RCUV?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
We have to find out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's roll. Show them where we are.
Woo! Hot. Huh?
We should show them where we are.
Yeah, sure. So David, where are we located? Where are all our dealers?
This is the United States.
Yeah.
And we have Sweden here, and we're located somewhere there in Sweden. So it's about from the United States to Sweden, it's about 30 centimeters. And we have some other countries here. We have Australia and
Russia.
All
over Europe.
This is a map.
We have nothing in Greenland. We need to go to Greenland.
I'm going to Greenland. This is my time to shine.
Yes. I will sit down here and watch you do your magic. What's the plan?
We have a CFMOTO. I just learned that this is one word, not CFMOTO.
CFMOTO.
CFMOTO. I got a lot of shit for that. We have CFMOTO 625 C4s. I'm not sure what,
but it's the latest model they have in the ATV range.
Yeah. So we have tires. This is a scale. Oh.
Very nice.
Yeah. We have this.
Looks like a car.
Shut up. We have the tank and the seat. This is called in Sweden whiteboard cab.
Whiteboard.
Highly accurate. This is the seat. We have some racks there. Okay. How do you get this to be cool?
Yeah, I have an idea. The first thing we're gonna do, to be honest, is to swap out the tires and rims.
Okay.
We have to put on some. I don't know. Should we go with nasty mud tires or should we go with like some bigger trail tires.
I feel trail tires. I mean, we don't have that much mud here. And
Yeah.
Is CF ever going to be a mud machine?
Should we make it lean and mean?
Yeah. So we have, these are trail track tires, and we have some really nice rims.
Yeah.
I hope you catch this in slow motion.
Have we decided we're gonna go with a trail setup?
Let's everyone choose. Let's have everything offer. We'll make
Yeah,
votes
sure.
for every mod.
So people
we make.
people can help us to decide on what to go
This
with.
will be a community build.
Yeah.
I think we should ditch the mirrors.
I kinda
Look,
like
look! It's already.
Yeah, that,
I mean, it's halfway there now.
yeah, looks better.
Mean there. If we could lift it, that would be cool.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that nobody has a lift kit for this vehicle yet. But I know what we have.
Yeah.
We have a hose.
Yeah, I think we
We
can
can
do that.
make some parts.
We'll make a lift kit. I think the steering
Yeah, I think we should
Handlebars.
go with like a fat bar.
fat bar in some cool color for matching the other parts.
Yes.
Wrap.
Yeah, we need to make a cool wrap for it.
Yeah, like Tupac. he raps.
Yeah, he wraps. Yes.
Let's,
That's a really bad
I-
joke.
like we have a wrap.
And what theme should we go with?
You know what team I like? Desert Rally, like the Camel Trophy team, but
Yeah, maybe that would look good. Maybe we could put like some spare fuel can on the back and the front, and spare tire.
spare tire, like a small jerry can.
Yeah,
And
and we need a skid plate,
skid plates, the long
Plastic.
antenna
plastic.
for the
Huh?
CB radio.
Antenna?
Yeah, for the CB radio, so you can communicate.
That's old school. All right. And I know one thing we need. It's very important, and it's the exhaust.
How about, should we make it quiet?
No. I
I
think we're going with.
I think I just lost my job here. But I'm really Mud Edition and Crossflow all
We have
over.
to check if we can make a single exhaust or if we can make something magic with a dual exhaust.
Yeah.
As this is a one-cylinder engine, I'm voting for a single exhaust.
Yeah.
We have to see what we can do.
Lighting. Obviously the new trio lights won't fit this, however, whatever we do.
Yeah. We need
Small light bar.
Yeah. Maybe something we can put on the fat bar steering.
Yeah, like a
Like a small pod light.
yeah. And if this is going to be a Camel Trophy themed thing, I think we should have some backing light, rear backing lights. Small, just small.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Bumpers.
Yeah, we need to see what's available for this model. If we're gonna make something in house or if we're gonna buy something from CFMOTO.
And you know, we have shifters for them now.
Yeah, we do.
Is there something we could do with those? We'll see.
We can look into that.
Winch, hook,
A new winch hook. We need
Yeah.
a new
fair lead,
winch
winch
line.
line.
We need a winch hook holder. Did you say that?
No.
The our glass fiber reinforced
Yeah, that
winch
one.
holder.
And we should tune the engine somehow. Let's get back to that in some.
Yeah, see if we can get some power. I'm not sure, to be honest, how much horsepower it is in.
I'm not sure why I'm
In that
throwing
one.
a two-cylinder engine either. And let's
It's a one-cylinder engine, so we have to look into that if we can tune it in some way. It would be really interesting to see from our followers on social media what they think, if they have any ideas.
we're only going to accept the good ideas.
Yeah, because I think to build a trail, trail build. It will be pretty cool and a bit different too.
Yeah. But the first American that can translate this word into English, we'll give you what?
Give him an exhaust.
No. No. We'll give you a shifter or a gas cap or an accessory of your choice. If you can translate this word, I won't even sadelmakare. I'll only say it once.
Yeah, one time.
Yeah, how you said it.
They can't use Google to translate it. That would be cheating.
How are you going to? Yeah.
Rules are
We'll find out.
rules are rules. Huh?
Did you hear the beep? Beep.
Yeah, but it will go away.
It's calling for us.
Yes, the CFMOTO is calling.
But we're halfway there.
Yeah. So we have to order some parts and build some parts.
Yeah. Where to start?
I think we're gonna use the angle grinder.
To participate in this and help us out with this, we need your help with everything. We will put up polls on Instagram and we will link everything back and forth so you can participate in any way, any shape, way or form for this build. Don't forget or don't miss out on polls on Instagram stories. We'll repeat them if needed. Thank you very much for this. It has been a great experience.